What's up? Just finished the Panda raffle on Instagram Live. I would like to thank all the people that participated in the raffle. I want to thank the two winners. Congratulations for winning the Panda Dunks. As well as I appreciate all the support that I received. Just to let you guys know, I do notice the support and it is well accepted and received. So as you know, in my previous video I spoke on a mystery box that I purchased from Alex GP Heat that I wanted to bring some exciting content to the channel. So I took a chance. I purchased a $1,500 mystery box. I have no idea what's inside of the box. Hopefully I have some grails. But that's the whole purpose of it being a mystery box, because I don't know what I have. I don't know what sizes. So if I don't know the name of the shoes, guys, I will do some research and I will put it inside of the description above the shoes. So let's go ahead and get into the review. Let's get it. Hopefully we have some grails. Hopefully we have something that I don't have in stock. It's going to be exciting to open this mystery box. Let's go. So as you can see, the box is sealed and not open. So I have no idea what's inside this mystery box. So we'll go ahead and open the box together. Y'all know I got the Mikasa butter knife. Got the Mikasa butter knife. Let's go. Alright guys, about to open the mystery box. Let's get into it. Oh Lord, I think I scraped the shoe box. Okay, bubble wrap, even though I picked it up, it's all good. Alright, this is the first shoe inside of the box. Okay. Again, guys, this is a $1,500 mystery box. So the colorway is Air Jordan 6 Grade School University Blue, White, Black. Yes, I am well familiar with this silhouette. Jordan 6 University Blue. You can never go wrong with having a University Blue colorway. So I'll take it. So good so far. Jordan 6 University Blue colorway, size 7. So guys, as well as I will let you know if I decide to sell anything out of this mystery box, I will post it on my Instagram story. I will let you know if I'm selling anything outside of this mystery box. Alright, so that's one. Alright, I see some Yeezys. Y'all know how I feel about Yeezys. I see some Yeezys. Okay, so we have some Yeezy slides. I have no idea why it's not focusing. Yeezy slides, size 9. See what colorway? Glow green, glow green. Yeah, I think these highlight green. Okay. Alright, so this is a Yeezy slide, size 9. This is the green glow colorway. Okay. I'm not sure if I will wear this shoe. So I might put it up for sale, size 9. You can never go wrong with the slides. Alright, that's shoe number 2, guys. Shoe number 2. Alright, we have another Yeezy. Alright, this is a Yeezy 350. Yeezy 350. Alright, the colorway is, oh, bone. Yes, sir. Bone colorway. The bone colorway is the white colorway. Bone colorway. Ooh, fresh white. Yes, I remember when this bone colorway came out. It's because this is when the Yeezy brand first started going to like the recycle. They first went to like the recycle materials. Yes, sir. Bone colorway. Contact Alex GP Heat. He bringing me some heat. I'll take it. You know I love Yeezys. Alright, so that's number 3. Uh-oh. I see a SB. Oh, so I see it's a lot of boxes in here, guys. So it might not be any grills in here. Oh, 11.5. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro ISO. Oh, this is the Wolf Gray colorway. The Wolf Gray colorway. The Wolf Gray colorway. Size 11.5. Yes, sir. Got that Wolf Gray size 11.5. So most likely I will sell this Wolf Gray colorway. Size 11.5. This is a SB orange label. And guys, if you know, the orange label has the best material. This is the orange label with the additional laces. Yes, sir. All right, 11.5. I gotta tally up to see if I'm coming close to the money that I spent. Okay, that's 4 shoes, 2 Yeezys, Jordan 6, and Wolf Gray SB. Okay, what we have look like a Jordan 1. I know I'm a sucker for Jordan 1s. Alex, you did me right, baby. Ooh, let me read the colorway first. And I do not have a pair of these. These are Jordan 1 High Women Seafoam White. My size 8. Let's go. My size 8. Seafoam. And if I'm not mistaken, guys, these shoes has went up in price. I think they're roughly $350 because I was looking into getting this Seafoam. Okay, I'm not a fan of these laces right here. It has 2 additional laces as well. Yes, so this is the Jordan 1 Seafoam. All right, I'm digging it. I can dig this. So far, the only one that I'm not a fan of is the Yeezy slides, the green Yeezy slides. So everything is everything. Alright, the Seafoam, Jordan 1 Seafoam, and it is my size. So I will be keeping this shoe, guys. I will be keeping this shoe. Okay, I see a small box, a size 11C. 11C. Say, this look like a giveaway. This look like something out a giveaway. Everybody has a kid in their family. Everybody know young children. This is a giveaway. Ooh. Nice. Jordan 11 medium gray multicolor white. Yes, sir. Let's go. This is a giveaway. This is the cool gray. Cool gray colorway, Jordan 11. Love to have. Cool gray colorway. Yeah, this look like something I will be giving away. Man, hold on. Hold on. Okay, Alex. Okay, Alex. What is this? Kind of looks like a SB box, but it's not. What is this? I'm not sure why it won't zoom. This kind of look like a SB box, the new SB box with the cell, but it's not. Ooh. Okay. I know exactly what this is. Is this what I think it is? Yes. Mike Blazer Mid 77 Vintage. This is the popcorn colorway. It's a size 7. It's a size 7, guys. And you know the Blazers, they run pretty big. They run like almost, oh my god. This is fresh. This is dope. This is the popcorn blazer. I remember this is a special edition, as well as the exposed tongue. Yes. It is not my size. Ah, man. Hey, we're gonna have to make something. Bruh. This is a very nice shoe. What is this? I have no idea what that is. If you know what that is, let me know in the description. I have no idea what this little emblem is that's hanging, this little hang tag. Yes, this is a very nice shoe, as well as Fresh Since 77 imprinted on the bottom back sole of the shoe. Man, I have no idea what is going on with this camera. Oh. This is a LeBron James. LeBron James 7. Court purple, white, and amarillo. LeBron James 7. Court purple, white, amarillo. Let's see. Yeah, I haven't been keeping up. Oh, I remember these. Yes, I think this when he first went to the Lakers. Oh, they're nice. Yes, okay. Size 7. So these will be too big. Oh, yes, I do remember. It's, you know, I'm a sucker for mix match shoes. I'm a sucker for them. Alright, I can dig it. Yeah, but I think those shoes will be a little too big for me. Alright, guys, I only see one box left. And it is some lost and founds. Okay, to end the video off, this is some lost and founds. What size is that, guys? Let me see. 6.5, my size. Lost and founds. Yes, sir. 6.5. This look like 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Yes, this could be 1,000 subscriber giveaway. What y'all think, guys? Let me know. All right. that is the last shoe. That is the last shoe inside the box, guys. So I have to tally it up to see if it is a win. If it is a win, a loss, or if I broke even. Again, I spent $1,500 on the mystery box with Alex GP Heat. Go ahead and hit him up on his Instagram page. He has steals on there. Go ahead and hit him up. He have all sizes, 100% authentic. Alex GP Heat. Hit him up on his Instagram, guys. So let me know in the comment if I lost on the box, if I broke even, or if I won. I spent $1,500 on the mystery box, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pair of shoes, which I'm kind of, would I rather have a grail or 9 pair of shoes? I have to go ahead and tally it up and see how much profit I will make if I sell the shoes, guys. And another thing, I went to my local skate shop, and when I went to my local skate shop, I got a new t-shirt that they were printing straight off the print table. Loose trucks are tight. Loose trucks are tight. So as well as they had a shoe in the collection. They had a shoe in stock to go ahead and add to my collection. So now I have both pair of shoes. They came out roughly I say like a few weeks ago. Run the Jewels. I had to pick it up, guys. This is the other part of the Run the Jewels. It actually has real pony hair. It actually has real pony hair. Yeah, I see the gold right there. Hold on one second. Let me see. This is the low, and this is the high. This is the low, and this is the high. So guys, these both was a collection piece. So I picked them up at my local skate shop. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Geeked up, sneaked up, geeked up. Hopefully you enjoy my unboxing. That was my first mystery box, and that was some exciting content that I wanted to bring to the channel. Geeked up, sneaked up, geeked up. Unknown Souls Kicks. And we out. Peace.